Hi, good morning. It's Big D here, Flapjack and Beans. How the devil are you? Not seen anybody for a while. Well, today we've got a little change of lifestyle. It's coming soon and all will be revealed. Here we go. The Can-Am North East.
Alright.
Alright, Johnny, we had a good trip.
Been alright, aye.
You must have left about 6, did you?
4:45.
4:45.
Been to Northampton this morning.
Have you?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
I've got to go to Carlisle next.
Oh yeah.
Light drive.
Bizarre. How many can you get in there then?
2.
2. Ah, the Can-Am. Here she comes. Bloody hell. You know it's in gear. The reversing light on it. All the way down, John. Ah, the Red Baron's arrived. Hey?
I'm going to the back of them and get spare work.
Aye, alright, mate.
Holy crap.
Alright. Come on. Get on in. I understand the safety. We're just going back a bit on seat, mate. Lean on more seat. Not a big fat bum. So, let's see how we get on with this. Plenty of room for you.
Alright?
Aye.
Comfy?
Yeah, I think so.
Put the park brake on there, the park brake here, press the park brake and roll forward 10 foot, just steady when you first go off. So you get in the reverse, roll the throttle forward and then press minus again. Roll hold the throttle forward, there you go, now roll back to where you were. Press close. When you press close out of the reverse, it'll always...
Certainly different. Okay, so we fueled up for the first time on the Red Baron. Let's see how we go down here now. Very strange. So there we go. I'll go down here. I need kilometres. I need to get this vehicle out of kilometres. Can't be doing with that. I quite know where to do that. Do settings at the moment. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Oh, it seems ever so funny. I keep wanting to put my feet down and keep pulling for a break. you get this one wrong, you end up in river, canal. I'll stop a bit and take a full photo. Bloody back skilling. Oh. I've got bad legs and it's my debut ride on this, so...
Oh well. Looks as big as a car.
It nearly is, yeah. Yeah, I used to ride motorbikes all the time, but I bought this because you don't have to put your feet down at junctions.
Yes. Once you're on,
Yeah,
you're away.
in theory. Oh, handbrake. Never had an handbrake on a bike before. See you later. Oh, hold on. You won't let me go.
At our purpose-built facilities in Lanchester, we are open 6 days, Monday to Saturday 9 AM until 5 PM, Sundays by appointment. Call on 01207 529246 or email parklandscars@hotmail.co.uk. Can-Am. Northeast offer quality new and used Can-Am Spyder and off-road vehicles for sale in County Durham, but also cover Newcastle upon Tyne, Consett, Chester-le-Street, Houghton-le-Spring, Durham, Darlington, Hexham, Penrich, Carlisle, Gateshead, Lanchester, and places as far away as Leeds, Manchester, Sheffield, Birmingham, Edinburgh, London, Glasgow, and everywhere else. Owner Josh Wilkes and his staff pride themselves on guaranteeing customers old and new a superb deal and customer service, which is second to none. The business has established a solid reputation for personal attention, integrity, and total customer satisfaction, which will surely lead to successful trading for many years to come. A full range of stock for both on and off-road are available to view in our purpose-built showroom, and demonstrators are available for your enjoyment. We also carry an extensive parts stock and a massive choice of accessories. Why not come along to our dealership in Lanchester, Durham on the A691 between Durham City Centre and Consett? We look forward to meeting you.